That's what I figured. You probably could have got it right off with the range.
Big difference, very big difference. Now again, I got to press these in a PRL. Let me show you.
But as long as you line that up in the center, she will auto center and send home. You command the pedal. I trust my hand, it's fine. You know what you can do? All you're doing is just coordinating and making sure it's centered. It won't pull your hand.
So what, can I get it?
Yep. Yeah, I know.
Before I put her the whole way to the ground, let me show you some other things I had done off camera. I had my boys at Auto First install some Eibach lowering springs for me. They did a wonderful job. I ordered the V1 Yofer spoiler. I think it looks great, especially with the big wing on it. The contrast from the lower spoiler to the big wing looks fantastic. I wanted something else right in here, and this did the exact trick. The only difference is I didn't have that painted. It's just gloss black, so there's no pearl or metallic in it like the paint on the car. So I want to take this beauty for a spin, find out how good this PRL motor mount actually is. So if I had to explain how it feels, you know the feeling when you're hard on the throttle and you go to shift, that jerking feeling that you feel is practically gone. The car feels more balanced, if that makes sense, and it feels much smoother on and off the throttle. So you know when you're about $4.5 grand, $5 grand, and you let off the throttle, that jerking sensation, again, that is practically gone. In my opinion, this is a mod you must have for a 10th gen or an 11th gen manual Civic.